Teaching is not just about delivering lessons, it is about continuously learning, evolving, and growing as an educator. Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am happy to share my experience of attending the Cbse CPD on offline workshop on social science secondary level held on 16th and 17th January at Vaidehi School of Excellence. This workshop was part of the Continuous Professional Development CPD program by Cbse, and it was truly an enriching and motivating experience. You all know that all teachers have to complete 50 hours of training every year. So just this was a part of that. The main focus of the CPD workshop was to strengthen effective teaching strategies in social science at the secondary level. We had engaging sessions on competency-based education, designing higher order thinking questions, case-based and source-based questions, integrating real-life examples in teaching, activity-based and student-centered learning, assessment as learning and not just of learning. Then 21st century skills NCF, we can achieve the goals of NCF and achieve 21st century skills, connect with the subject, then art integrated activities. So along with all these, it was filled with a lot of group activities and collaborative tasks. We worked in team to design lesson plans, frame competency-based questions, and share innovative classroom strategies. So these activities helped us to understand how to make social science more meaningful, analytical, and engaging for students instead of just focusing on rote learning. So how can the subject be more connected with the present life? So how to reply to the queries of students why we have to learn social science? How is it going to help in the present world? So there were many examples stated by the participants and the resource persons. The most highlighted part of the session was future or career prospects and social sciences. So if they select humanitarian as a subject in the higher grades 11, 12 and degrees, so what all the profession they can choose as. So that was most highlighting. You can also make use of this and you can inform the students. So it is the teachers who can make the difference. So these kind of workshops help us to enhance our community. So these kind of workshop help us to come together, exchange our ideas, interact with them, and learn from one another's experiences in the classroom. So thanks to Cbse, the resource persons, and the entire team of the host school organizing such a well-planned and impactful workshop. So their guidance, patience and encouragement made these 2 days truly productive and inspiring. Kindly attend as many workshops as possible. Do share if you have attended any workshops and you had come across any unique ideas and practices. Thank you. Keep learning.